All right, welcome back. Welcome back to another unpacking of my 2 silver coins for the month of August. Can you believe it? August already. Yes, sir, Bob. By the time you know, it will be winter. So, my favorite time of the year, weather-wise. Anyway, so, last month when I did my July unpacking, silver was at 38.46, 38 spot 46. That's where silver was, and as of the close yesterday, and I'll just show you that here, it was at, it's not here. Oh, you know what, let me do this. Hold on a second, guys. Let me refresh. Repeat. Here we go. So let's see. You don't see, oh, there it is. There we go. Sorry. So it was at $39.98. It actually broke $40 for the first time. I don't know, I think it was 14 or 15 years. So that's pretty good stuff, man. Pretty good stuff. All right, let me get back to me, and here I am. So I got my August coins, and here's the package. So let's get ready to open up and let's see what we got. I got my scissor here. And let's see what we got. Trying to putz around with different camera angles because I want to try to give it a little different look every month, but still learning as I'm going here. So let's see what we got. Alright, let's open this up. I don't know what I got. And here are 2 coins. And let's get ready to see what they are. And the first one is, it's a 2024 St. Lucia Flamingo. Oh, this is from the Eastern Caribbean EC8 series. So let me see if I can get this. So it's the 2 flamingos. I think there's a colored version of this, a colorized version. Let's see if you got that. See, those are 2 flamingos facing each other. It's just not coming into focus. And on the back, I think it's the coat of arms. I don't know if you can see that or not, but let's see. Oh, there we go. Eastern Caribbean Central Bank. I guess I got to get really close. Look at that. That is mint. St. Lucia 2024. That's pretty nice. So second one, like I say this all the time, I'm broken record. I get two every month, and I'll probably get the same coin unless I'm buying something separate from my my monthly shipment. So there it is. Yep, I got 2 of them. Oh yeah. Guess the closer you get, there they are. It's nice. I bet you the colorized version is very nice. I'm going to assume it's pink flamingo. I think that's what they usually are. So let me get it back to me here. Yep, and here they are, 2 coins. So let's get some information on these coins themselves. And yeah, I was right. It's part of the EC8 series, which is comes out of Scottsdale, the Scottsdale Mint series. I think there are 8 Caribbean islands that are part of that program or series, however you want to call it. I don't know all the 8 islands, but St. Lucia obviously is one of them. So I do have another one. I think it has like a pirate with the rum runner. That's a pretty cool coin. So let's see what else. What else does this coin have? It's 999. It's a 999 coin. So if you don't know what a 999 coin is, I just did a video on that. You can check that out. I think it comes up in one of the shorts. triple nine versus a quadruple nine, or 4 nines. I explained it's about a minute and a half long. Why don't you go check it out? I'll probably pop up somewhere around here towards the end of the video. I'll leave it here, and you can take a quick, quick glance at it. It's, like I said, it's only a minute and a half long. I go into detail on it, but it's a very minute difference, right? Let me see if I can get anything else on this coin for you guys while I'm here. Yes, it's BU. It's brilliant, uncirculated. That's what the BU stands for, and it only has a mintage of 2,500, which is not a lot. So it's rare. I wouldn't say it's extremely rare. Usually you see 25,000, 75,000. 2,500 is kind of a low mintage. I mean, it's not like 500 or 700, which is really low, but for something like this, it's pretty low. All right, so I hope you like these 2 silver coins. I know I do. I'll just add these to my collection, and I'll see you in my next video. Right, so maybe I'll order a coin or 2 before my monthly coins come. If not, stay tuned for September for my monthly coins. So with that, enjoy the rest of the day, and have a good night. Talk to you later.